Over the last several years in which I worked into Dubai, the area of Arabian wealth has become very relevant. There's been a catalyst of bringing many family offices together to share with them different investment insights and ideas for them to explore. They've been very much in the past approached on a one-on-one basis by many global institutions, but bringing a community of families together in a forum like this, it provides a better catalyst to share investment insights and ideas and innovation. I think it was a very fruitful event. I was particularly impressed in the area of not just global markets, but this whole notion of impact investing, which Global Investment Bank outlined today with Reza Dara. I think as part of a family office, a core part of a family's principles is also philanthropic work and giving, but giving in a way that has sustainable impact. And I think similar to the US, there's a trend towards investing in strategies that are sustainable, but through achieving good returns through those investment strategies, the family can identify with good that's being done as a function of their investments in the world. I think one of the more interesting things that stand out is how this part of the world hasn't really diversified enough in terms of its investment strategies. As an American working over here, always understood that real estate is a big investment because it has always gone up. And then some more local investments in healthcare and education. But I think with the oil prices being down the last several years, there's more of a natural affinity to go out and diversify and invest internationally, and likewise bring other companies inbound into the Middle East that could use Dubai as a hub for a gateway into Africa and Asia for the development of new economies and new innovation in Dubai. I'm responsible for the wealth management division of Global Investment Bank. My partner Reza works on the investment banking side, providing investment solutions to families. And on my side, I'm more focused on leveraging some of the best investment talent around the world, institutions, bring them into the region and offering those capabilities to our ecosystem of family offices in which we support. And there's a unique proposition here working with wealth management and investment banking in more of a family office environment that isn't as common in other parts of the world. Obviously, there's a natural need to diversify away from investing in real estate. Oil and gas will always be a big part of this region in terms of commodities, but I think there will continue to be areas of investment in financial technologies that will push the boundaries in which traditional asset allocation investment models work. So it won't be your traditional private equity, traditional liquid equities or liquid fixed income strategies. It'll be a combination of cheap beta on the one hand, getting the market exposure, not overly relying on just fundamental equity research, but also getting exposure to alternative exposures that more hedge funds go after at more appropriate pricing. And I think artificial intelligence and the evolution of fintech is going to have a more profound impact on the way investment's going to be done in the future and provided to this part of the world.